This is the Honor X9a, also known as the Magic 5 Lite 5G drop test. This phone has a similar drop-resistant glass screen as the Kunlun glass, which is on the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I'll start off by dropping it waist height onto the concrete floor. On the first drop, we can see there are some scrapes on the plastic frame. However, the screen is still intact with no cracks and works fine. On the second drop, I'll drop it again on the screen, but this time from head height. We can see there are more scrapes or gashes on the plastic frame, and there's a small hairline crack on the bottom of the screen glass. However, the glass isn't shattered. The screen still operates fine. For the third drop, I'll drop it on the back from waist height. The back has a small scrape or two from the drop, but since it's plastic, it doesn't have any cracks. For the fourth and final drop, I'll drop it on the side from waist height. There are some additional scrapes on the plastic frame from where it impacted the ground, but aside from that, there is no additional damage. The screen still works great. Overall, I would say this is a durable device when it comes to drops, and the glass is extremely strong against impacts and scratches. The plastic frame, however, will get scraped or scratched up if dropped. If that doesn't bother you, then a case won't be necessary for this phone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.